Hey guys, I'm here today with a quick video to share what's in my latest Rocksbox. This is how it comes packaged. Cute little box. Rocksbox is actually a jewelry rental service. They send you 3 pieces of jewelry and you can get as many boxes as you want during the month every time you send back your jewelry or purchase your jewelry. Oliver's with me. They send out a new box really quickly. Like if you send back a box maybe on a Thursday, by Saturday or Monday you'll have 3 new pieces of jewelry. It's $21 a month no matter how many boxes you get, and that $21 is applied toward the purchase of anything in your box. So this is how it comes packaged. Here's a care card just telling you, don't wear it while you're putting on perfume or hairspray. Oh, and this month, for a limited time only, take an extra $5 off your current set. So there will be a $5 discount, and then there's a little packet explaining what's in your box, the brands and the prices. And then 3 bags and a shipping label. Shipping is free both ways. Okay, so let's see what's in here. The first piece is a necklace. It's the Ava Rose Cheyenne necklace in silver with platinum Druzy. The regular price is $60, but it is $51. So if I wanted to purchase anything, I can get the $21 credit and the $5 credit. Or I can just wear it for as long as I want, send it back, and then get a new box. This is really pretty. I like that. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, that's really pretty. It has gold and silver and then the black Druzy. So it would match anything. And then it has like 5 different places where you can connect it so you can wear it at different lengths. So it can be shorter or a little longer than this. Okay, okay, let's see what the next item is. Earrings. They're by Slate. The Kim hoops in gold for $38. They're really big. They may be a little too big, but they feel lightweight. I'll try them on. Okay, these are the Slate earrings. I don't know about that. I think they're a little bigger than what I like. I might just wear them one day for fun and see how I like them. And that's the great thing about this box is you can wear the jewelry as much as you want before you send it back. Okay, I have one more. It's a bracelet. It's the Sophie Harper Pave slider bar bracelet in gold and crystal for $38. It's really pretty. I'll go ahead and put it on. Let's see how easy it is to get on by myself. It's not bad. It has the little slider. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Okay, I'll definitely wear that. It's pretty. If I were to buy all 3 items, the total is $127, but if you buy all 3, you always get a $10 discount. So that would be $117, plus they have the $5 credit for this month. So $112 minus $21. So that would be $91. Yes, that would be $91 once I subtract out the $21 credit. So I think I'll just wear, I know I don't think I'm gonna buy these earrings, but I might wear them. But I really do like, oh, the necklace came undone. Okay. I just didn't connect it properly when I put it on, but okay, that's really pretty. And I like the bracelet, so I'm really happy with this box. If you'd like to try Rocksbox, I'll have a code below and you will get your first month without the $21 charge. But you'll still get, even though you're not charged the $21, you still get the credit toward anything you purchase. So it's a good deal. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel below.